Hi everyone, I'm Madonna and this is Beryl. And Beryl has been sharing with me that one of her problems with her business is following through with people. So she does all the hard work of getting people's names, phone numbers, contacts, emails, and then doesn't have the self-worth, self-esteem, something to follow up. So I thought we would do a quick little balance of the brain to help Beryl feel a bit more confident about herself. Does that sound like something you would like?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. I have to admit yes.
Okay.
Definitely.
Are you worth it?
I think so.
Do you deserve it?
I think so.
Okay, so let's take a look. So say, I am worthy.
I am worthy.
Hold out nice and strong. That says no, not quite 100%. So, sorry, I'm going in. Okay. So there's an old pain and punishment circuit there in Beryl's past, which means at some stage you learned that it's hard to put yourself first. Because if you're not able to put yourself, sometimes people just get to that spot on the planet where they're sort of like, I'm not worthy, I'm not able to put myself, so if you don't put yourself first, who are you? You're at the bottom of the pile, everyone else goes first. And sometimes you don't even realise that there's such an amazing offering that you can offer to the world, and they're missing out. You're missing out and they're missing out. And again, I am worthy.
I am worthy.
And hold out. Beautiful. Say, I deserve the best.
I deserve the best.
And hold out. Oh my goodness, and that one is escape, submission, freeze. So the brain wants to run away from deserving the best. So your brain is running away from the best possible outcome you can be. So you need to own that, you need to feel that, and you need to go, no, this is my time. This is my time. I'm deserving here on the planet and I can be the best I can be. It's nearly there. There it goes. I just say, I deserve the best.
I deserve the best.
And hold. Beautiful. Now, I want you to think about following up with people for a sec. Just close your eyes and imagining picking up the phone and talking to them about when they have asked you to follow up with them. So just imagine that phone call. And hold out. And there goes your corpus callosum again. So your brain goes, no, I don't trust myself. That's a lack of logical and creative communication, thinking that it's okay to do it. Even though you have already got permission from these people to follow up with them. So your brain doesn't trust yourself that it's okay to do it. Is that making sense?
Yes.
Okay. So we're just defragging that little part of the brain. That's another pain and punishment circuit, by the way. So at some stage in your past, your brain went, nope, I'm going to be punished if I put myself first. I'm going to be in pain if I put myself out there. And I want to avoid that, so I'll avoid it. It's easier to avoid it. In a second. And again, trust and trust issues. Hold. Beautiful. Let me see where else. And that then messes with your motivation. So the motivation disappears once all this is in play. And hold. And that's a lack of motivation in your memory centers. So your memory centers go, why would I put myself in that position? That would be a silly thing to do. So it switches off your pleasure centers around picking up the phone, giving someone a call and having a conversation. So this helps to calm that down and reconnect those little areas of the brain that make it okay. It's okay to call people, especially when you have already got permission. It's okay. We've got people having fun over there. So in relation to motivation, and any and all motivation issues. And again, hold. Beautiful. Now once again, I want you to say, I am worthy. reconnect some of the pathways in the brain to help her to move forward and to receive the best that she deserves in life. Doesn't that sound good?